Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will review the PesaTube app, which claims to allow users to earn money by watching videos. Is it really a reliable platform or just another scam? Let's find out together. What is PesaTube? PesaTube is a platform that claims to let users earn money by watching videos, liking, and sharing content. The site promises rewards of up to $500 per day, with an $8 sign-up bonus. How does PesaTube work? After signing up, users are required to watch videos to earn amounts ranging from $1 to $3 per minute. The site also offers referral commissions, encouraging users to invite others to join. Red flags and concerns. The promise of earning $500 per day just by watching videos seems unrealistic and raises doubts. The website does not provide any details about the company, its team, or contact information, which reduces its credibility. Many users reported being unable to withdraw their earnings, as their requests remained pending without any response. Some users stated that they never received any payments despite spending hours watching videos. Additionally, others reported that their personal data was stolen after signing up on the site. Comparison with similar platforms, PesaTube resembles platforms like MomoTube and CashTube, which were previously reported as scams. Final verdict. Based on available evidence and user experiences, PesaTube does not appear to be a reliable platform for making money. We strongly advise against signing up or sharing any personal information on this website. Be cautious when dealing with platforms that promise easy and fast earnings. Always verify the legitimacy of websites and look for independent reviews before signing up or providing any personal details. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. If you have any experiences with PesaTube or similar platforms, please share them in the comments below.